what are robotics in surgery? Disclaimer that the information that you are seeing is we have gotten it from the internet, therefore it might have some issues with checks and balances. Good thing is that the technology ecosystem is very dynamic, so you might see newer things coming up that might not be here in this video. So what are the robotics in surgery? Robotics in surgery is a rapidly evolving field that involves the use of robotic systems to assist surgeons. And they help the surgeons perform a wide array of procedures. So the first that we would like to discuss is laparoscopic surgery. Laparoscopic surgery with the use of robotics involves a small incisions and a camera-equipped robotic arm to perform procedures such as gallbladder removal and hernia removal. Robotic surgeries are now entering into orthopedic surgery as well. They assist in orthopedic procedures such as joint replacement and spine surgery. They are now being involved in cardiac surgery as well, with procedures of heart valve replacement and coronary artery bypass. In neurosurgery, robotic systems are assisting procedures such as removal of brain tumor resection and deep brain stimulation. In urology, the robotic surgeons are doing prostatectomy and pyeloplasty. Now, if you want to learn more about surgical robotics, where can you go? You can go to websites such as Coursera, edX, and other online learning platforms. You can find many tutorials on the website of the manufacturers. So who are the manufacturers? The manufacturers are Intuitive Surgical, the most famous one who created Da Vinci robot, Medtronic, Stryker, and they don't just have videos, but they also have simulation material for surgeons to practice on. In conclusion, it's important to know that the use of robotic systems in surgery requires specialized training, and that training is typically provided by the manufacturer. It is important for the surgeon to have a good understanding of the system's capability and limitations. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.